Hi, this is Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and guess what? I'm still at BERNINA University, and we had day 2. Now, day 2 was all about a new special edition machine. Now, I'm not going to really talk too much about the CAFE 570 special edition because, I already showed that. It's been in the store. That's kind of like, that's old news. That's like 2 weeks ago. But what I want to talk to you about is this Yaya Han Edition Bernette 79, and it's geared towards the very creative, resourceful, energetic, passionate cosplay community. Now, I want you to, if there's some of you watching our channel, I know you know who Yaya Han is, but some of you might not. And she, first of all, is just a very talented artist. Let's just put it that way. And Yaya is really responsible for kind of pioneering the cosplay community. She has been doing this for 20 years. She wrote a book about her experiences, and you definitely need to check that out. If you're curious, if you like Yaya, if you know her, read her book and you will be able to get to know her and the cosplay community even better. But I met Yaya a number of years ago when I was working for BERNINA. First, it was at the Javits Center in New York City at New York Comic Con, and then it was at C2E2. And I was, a little starstruck by her. I have to be honest with you, I wasn't really familiar with her popularity in the cosplay community. I was just so starstruck because I saw the massive amount of people waiting in lines to get her autograph at these conventions. So I kind of was a little shy to approach her at first, but I knew that she was going to be a fantastic ambassador and expert for BERNINA. And during this time, I met Brian, and Brian is her partner. And he came to me and he's like, hey, I think Yaya would like to talk about a BERNINA machine. And it was just like kismet. So I have known Yaya since then, and it was just so wonderful to see her. Some of you might remember that she was the expert for the BERNINA 590 and the 500 embroidery machine, and made that like really cool costume for Zinjin warriors. And well, now she's back with her own special edition. So we attended a book signing. I got her autograph on that book I was telling you about. And we took a class to make an obi belt that is inspired by her machine. And I have to tell you, so this Yaya Han special edition machine, it is an embroidery and a sewing combination machine, which is fantastic. However, it comes with feet, a foot package. It's got her cute little picture on it and everything, and it's got feet that she has hand selected to go with this machine. That's going to help you sew on ribbons. It's going to help you do an invisible zipper. It's going to help you do all kinds of things that are just really important for when you are making a costume, making a garment. And quite honestly, with the dual feet on this machine and the embroidery capabilities, it's just an all-round great machine for anybody, whether you're a beginner or if you're looking to update, maybe a mass market machine or something like that. So we're going to offer this machine at a special introductory price, and we're sweetening the pot just a little bit. If you pre-order this machine, we are providing a free Bernette Funlock 44 serger. So what a great combination that might be if you want to replenish your sewing room, or if you just want to get started. And don't forget, we also can ship this to you if you are watching far and far away from BERNINA of Naperville. And if that's not all, in addition to the feet and the wonderful embroidery designs that Yaya's picked and selected, it also comes with the BERNINA Creator software. That's right, you can digitize your very own designs, your fangirl stuff or fanboy stuff, logos. There's a ton of different fonts, so you really have everything that you need in this machine to be creative and to enhance your cosplay craft or any other kind of craft you might want to do, because regardless if you are a cosplayer or not, and if you've maybe never heard of Yaya, you're gonna love how cute this machine is, because it's lavender and teal. And purple is Yaya's favorite color, and it just so happened to be that lavender was the Pantone color for 2023. So if you want to reserve your Yaya Han Special Edition B79 with the software and that free serger that only BERNINA of Naperville is offering, you just simply go to BERNINAofNaperville.com, scroll down, and you're going to see that pre-order section, and you just click on the button that says reserve yours now, and it will add it to the cart, go through the purchasing thing, and we will ship this to you when it comes in. It's going to be a month or so keep that in mind, but we really hope that you will enjoy this machine as much as we do. And so that was day 2, and once again, pretty exciting. We did get to enjoy a wonderful dinner at Union Station here in Dallas because BERNINA of Naperville is a top dealer in our district, and we are in Century Club, which is a place where a special dinner for some of the top dealers in the country, and we get to kind of mingle. Last night we gambled a little bit. I have to tell you, it was a little bit of a shame that we weren't gambling with real money because Chris, he's a high roller and he did pretty well, but nonetheless, we traded them in on some raffle tickets. All right, well, hey, that was day 2. So day 3 is gonna be all about going down to the vendor mall, catching up with some old friends, asking some important questions, and placing some orders for new product and all of those good things. So I will catch you later. But for now, if you want to see these updates, you want to see some tutorials, you want to just kind of see what BERNINA of Naperville is all about, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. But for now, happy sewing and happy watching.